This nozzle fits the Thunder SLM bolt series, snaps on magnetically in 1 second. And it was printed right here on the Thunder SLM Series. This is what it looks like to manufacture a functional part for a commercial machine. And today, you will see the exact workflow, what made it. In the last video, we set up the Thunder SLM Series from scratch. Chiller connected, gas supply in, powder loaded, and substrate installed. And every pre-print check completed. Your machine is ready. Now it's time to print your first metal part. Whether you are printing a nozzle, a bracket, or any other custom component, by the end of this video, 3 things will happen. You will prep your build file in Voxeldance Additive. You will run the complete machine workflow from pre-flight to laser on. And finally, you will upload your part and get all your powder back. Before we build, let's focus first on what we call the data preparation workflow. This is a process that consists in transforming your 3D file, here will be STL file, into a ready-to-process file by the 3D printer. This is usually a 6 stages process. First, model import. Second, STL file preparation if needed. Then edit. After that, just give the good orientation to your model in order to optimize the next step, that is the support creation. And finally, slice it. Let's first have a quick overview on the main interface and see which tool will be used later to perform the 3D data transformation. So you have here your viewport. You can use your mouse's scroll button to zoom, the right button to rotate, and the middle button to pan. On the top right corner here is the coordinate cube. You can click any face to snap to that view instantly. And just click the home button to go back to the isometric view. On the left panel is your part navigator. This is where you will have access to all your imported STL file. Just note that each time you will import a STL file, a quality check will be performed instantly. A green tick means that you are clean. A yellow exclamation point needs you to use the automatic fix module to repair your STL. And you can see at the top that you have here move and rotate button that will let you orient your 3D model. And here the slice module that will be used at the end to finalize the 3D data transformation. Let's start by creating our platform first. Always the first step. In fact, the platform corresponds to the substrate that will be used for the 3D printing. So just go to create platform, platform definition, and I have here the platform of my Thunder laser. I use, then import your STL file. Easy, you can go there, select the folder, select the file and just click import. And that's it. You will have an automatic zoom. As I said before, the quality check has been performed. We have a green tick, so everything is perfect. We can go on to the second phase, that is the orientation. Second part, orientation. So let's work part by part. I hide the bolt nozzle support because I just want to work first on the bolt nozzle. Go to the front view, move. I will move it at the substrate level, so 0. And we put 4 mm above the substrate level, just to be able to optimize the support creation later. Close. Let's go on the right view. That's it. And select again my part, that's it, and rotate around X of 90 degrees. Yes, like this. Close, go back. On the front view, now let's work on the bolt nozzle. Select, move, diffusely apply same. I will rotate it. Rotate, so as you can see here, you can rotate also directly by using the angle like this. Apply, close. Move it 0 and 4 millimeter. We are in, and just that's it. Okay, now we are good. Let's now proceed to the next step, the support generation. So just select your boss part, click here, support script, select the Thunder Laser Intelligent Support and run it. The algorithm calculates every anchor point your part needs during the build. And this is what is produced, a dense lattice structure holding your part from below. The blue geometry is the reason your metal part survived the print. Let's now proceed to the final stage, slice. So just select your two parts here and click slice. I use 0.05 millimeter for the layer thickness and 0 for the beam compensation. And just start to create the process. Show 3D view. Your slice has been created and you can navigate through all the slices by using this button. That's it. And after, just export your slice. And all good. That's all. Your files are ready. And so now, just let's go to print. So files are ready. Gloves on. Mask on. Let's go! 4 check before you touch the software. 1. Chiller on, water level in the green zone and hoses secured. 2. Chamber door closed, both powder hopper lids latched. 3. Bucket handle underneath, open. 4. Powder in the dosing cylinder gas pressure around 0.5 MPa. In the software, click Prepare. The machine purges the chamber with inert gas. Open file, select your slice, all and import. Just after that, just click Scan Layer. The laser pass preview appears. Verify it looks right. Then start build. The layer 1 is underway. And there it is, the Thunder Laser SLM Series, fusing metal power one layer at a time, at 0.05 millimeter per pass. The recoater sweeps fresh powder across the bed after each layer. This is happening inside an inert gas atmosphere. Every layer builds on the last. Build complete. Before you open anything, wait for the chamber pressure to drop below 5 kPa. Gloves on, mask on, open the door, clean the spot from the door seal and the suction box. Use the setup panel to raise the build cylinder. This is the interface function that keeps your cylinder from jamming. Brush the inserted powder from around your part into the collection bucket through the sieve. That expensive powder surrounding your part, you are getting it back, sieved, collected, ready for the next build. No waste. A resource. Now remove the substrate and take a look at what just came off this machine. This is the nozzle for the Thunder Laser Bolt series, designed to protect your material from smoke and debris. If you want to see it in action on the bolt, that video is linked right here. Shutdown, exit the software, key switch off, main power off, and finally unplug. All done. This is your first metal part, from powder to finished piece, on the Thunder Laser SLM series. If you have questions about the machine, the workflow, or any topic you want us to cover on the SLM series, just drop them in the comment. We read everyone. Do you want to go further? Just visit thunderlaser.com. You can get the full spec and our team is here to help. So just subscribe to stay with us and more is coming. See you in the next one, guys.